Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you this nighttime glam makeup look. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. To speed things up, I have already applied my foundation, brows, and concealer off camera. Going in with the Stila Eyes Are the Window eyeshadow palette, I'll be setting my concealer with the shade Light all over my lid. The brush I am using to do that is the Morphe M441 brush. If you guys are looking for an affordable, amazing crease blending brush, I highly recommend this brush. This brush is amazing. Next, I'm going in with Individual, and I'll be putting that on my crease. Blending it in windshield wiper motions as well as circular motions. From the Anastasia World Travelers eyeshadow palette, I'll be going in with Morocco, and I'll be using that to deepen the outer V. I'm first going in with a smaller crease brush, and what I'm doing is I'm stamping the color on my outer V, and then after I have the color stamped on, I'll be going in back with my Morphe 441 brush to blend it all out. Taking a flat eyeshadow brush, I'll be dipping it in with Heirloom. What I'm doing is that I'm going to tap off the excess just to make sure that there's going to be no fallout, and I'm going to just pat that all over my lid. Once I have that shade down, I'm going to go in with a smaller blending brush, and I'm just going to go back and forth just so that it is slightly blended. Taking Morocco from the palette, I'll be using this to blend in Heirloom. Here I am using Soft Peach from the palette, and I'm going to use this to diffuse the colors. Going back in with my flat eyeshadow brush, I'm just going to add a little bit more Heirloom to the outer part of my V. Once I have stamped the colors, I'm going to go in again and blend everything all in. I kid you not, I was probably blending for a good 10 minutes. Using the warmth of my finger, I'll be going in with Pink Champagne, and I'll be putting that all over my inner to middle lid. Can we just talk about my chicken claws? To further intensify this color, I'm going in with my Morphe S28 brush, dipping back into Pink Champagne, then spraying my brush with Fix Plus and going all over my lid. So once you're done, your eyeshadow should look something like this. The goal is to have your eyeshadow so well blended that you cannot see where each shadow starts and ends. Since I will be going in with falsies today, I am going to take Noir and lining it to my lash line. Using my favorite lashes of all time, I'll be going in with the Ardell Baby Wispies. Once I have the lash on, I'm going to take the inner corner and put it as close to my natural lash line as possible. Once that is in, I'm going to move to the outer part. Because this look is quite dramatic, I'm going to only bronze today with the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. With a big fluffy brush, I will be putting NARS Orgasm on my cheeks. Using my first love, it's the Becca Champagne Pop Highlighter. So I'll be putting that on the top of my cheeks, my forehead, my nose, and my cupid's bow. Because the glow just wasn't enough, I wanted to further intensify it by dipping my brush back into the pan, then spraying it with Fix Plus, and then just going over the areas that I already highlighted. Taking the Jordana Easy Liner in Coco Loco, I'll be using this to line my lips. I really just wanted to go outside my comfort zone and do a dark lip, however, this makeup look would look stunning with a nude lip. Topping my lips off with Kylie Cosmetics Matte Liquid Lipstick in True Brown K. Taking a small definer brush, I'll be going in with Fudge, and I'm going to use this to smoke out my lower lash line. To finish this makeup look, I'll be setting my makeup with Max Fix Plus all over my skin. And there you have it, guys. This is the completed nighttime glam makeup look. As always, all the products that I use will be listed in the description box below. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos from me, please subscribe to my channel. I'll talk to you later. Bye.